Okay, so in this video I will test some original Samsung cases for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. We have here a clear cover from Samsung for the Note 20 Ultra and Note 20 Ultra 5G. And here we have a leather cover in brown for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and Note 20 Ultra 5G. But we also have a Kvadrat cover here. Quadrot cover is a textile made from recycled PET bottles. And this is for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and Note 20 Ultra 5G Samsung, as you can see there. So these three cases I will test on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So let's start with the leather cover. We have it here, premium genuine leather, perfect fit and soft grip feeling. Nice. So let's open the box. Like so. Here we have some instructions on how to put the case on. As you can see, so the instructions and the cover itself. Here we have it. Really nice and smooth on the inside. We have outtakes for the ports and microphones. We have the buttons on the side, volume rocker and power on. And on the back we have a Samsung logo. It's a bit scratched or something here already from the fabric. Okay. So let's try that on. Like so. As you can see, wow, a bit better on the table now, but not perfect as you can see. I prefer cases that do that the phone is flat on the table, but this is not 100% flat as you can see. I don't like that. But that's because the camera module is a huge camera module, very much protruding the phone. So that's why you have not a perfect flat surface with the cover on, sadly. But this leather feels really good in the hand. A bit slippery though, I feel that's a bit slippery when you hold it. It feels nice. And at the top you can see microphone. And at the bottom you see here, you can remove the S Pen and so on with the case on. So that's the leather case. Now try the clear case. So now we test the clear cover. Same box there. Where is the case? Where is the case? Oh, it's a clear case. I was joking there. But with this one we didn't have any instructions or anything. So here we have a clear case. We have a protection there too. So we have the case here, and as you can see down here we have a designed by Samsung, made in Korea logo, but no Samsung logo whatsoever on the clear one. Because it's clear, we will see Samsung logo through it. Like so. Now we can easily see the color of the phone. It's protruding a lot on the front. I don't like that, as you can see here. I don't like that you can't swipe here. Feels a bit plastic too, but sturdy and not so slippery as the leather cover. Feels good in the hand. I don't like that it's protruding too much on the edges of the phone. Okay, so that was the clear cover. So now we have one left, and that's the Quadrot cover. Not the same packaging, as you can see. So let's see. Whoa, cool. Cool material. That's what's in the box. Nice. And here we have some instructions. Top first, bottom last. So I have done some wrong there, but anyways. Feels really good. It feels like textile. And we have a Quadrot logo there. Really nice. I like the textile feeling here. Looks cool. Check it out. Looks really nice. I like that. Feels good. A bit slippery material though. Really nice. I like that. I think it looks good on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in Mystic Bronze. Actually, I think this is my favorite of the three covers. Actually, I like that really much. So that's about it. Please like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need more subscribers. Please do that. Okay, bye.